Start.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Myself Akshita from first standard. I am giving information about vegetable of brinjal. Brinjal also known as eggplant. It is glossy, typically purple, spongy fruit from the nightshade family. It is a king of vegetable. It is in many color and shapes. Health benefits. Avoided allergy of kidney problem. It is used as a vegetable in cooking. It is meal favor and rich antioxidants. Thank you for listening my words. Very good. Good morning to all. Myself Hitashri from first standard. Today I will give an information about a special vegetable. Avrekai. Avrekai is known in English many names, that is hyacinth beans, field beans and fat beans. It is stem vegetable, legume seeds. Avrekai is popular seasonal seeds in Karnataka. It is used in a variety of dishes like as avrekai usuli, avrekai uppittu, avrekai mixture. Health benefits. It has low glycemic index and fast control blood sugar levels. In our native, we celebrate Sankranti festival as a very tasty dish prepared by my mother, Itkina Bele Sambar and Dosa Super Taste. Thank you for listening my words.